Welcome. Trending stories on social media and BTV. Yeah, no one subscriber na what turning on now so any trending stories be a course on social media no. Yeah, they ever by regard to personalities, musicians, actors, anything that matters need to be talked. Here is the right place for you on NBTV. Now, AY Poyoo 3 years ago na was about music industry no. And you can seminar say one no abeji Ghana rap at the SC ho ni nyum ba ko a ye hu say ye nyum ye yi patapa wan kona kwase anyum no prade to nchen ye fa AY Poyoo de say ye nyansa nyuma na ye tie and I am a good man ba ne senti no okoba bia na wacheche odwan bia won pe no ho asem na de na di na chi na de na frototro na de na fa many can say was a Ghana yet until we 2 Ghana kwa Nigeria na okono nyo no nkwa so na koye woni na punch ni dwan no so ana ekoye orofo aban is say no AY Poyoo started with the year 2020 within the music career you also person woton nyuma na so person be one of the greatest musician in Ghana na arosem ne say the record label omune no aye adwuma no one na nya beef omune na nya ntawantawa wababeke kansem ewo social media no so e dia kire the record label na yentie kakra ne emra.
The understanding of the question is part of the examination, and so if you don't understand, you are going to fail. I think people don't really understand what is going on between me and my former record label. I didn't terminate any contract. They terminated my contract.
Record label na on a branch ye adwuma no. Womuni na nini ye. Womu anya de to the extent say a branch here we sis wo person obo ne bra na person wo ye anwum kakra. Na say ana mo de na fa kwan we na mo de na fa so de a mo anya de. Eba ne sena wo ne obi ye adwuma. No contract or senkeson 2024 1st January. No one terminating in 2023 because you can't invest in nonsense. He
said they cannot invest in nonsense. They cannot invest money in nonsense. So they terminated the contract.
So Sana record label no can said they can't invest their money into nonsense. They are any I say can't be a branch and also more refine because almost breach contract. So when you be sign contract now terminating the panel contract, that means when I will breach a contract, the panel can only way judgment. When I was on to maybe you to invest it, the music career, when I will breach a contract. And watching so no, I branch and say, and you know why and as a new way, the good Apple Store and as a music app store, no so be a film no, or more deleting in a so.
And at the end of the day, they deleted the song from the stores, trying to whatever he has tried, like gather for me for the whole years I started doing this, depreciate them down, trying to put me in one corner.
Sebani said, yeah, AY Poyoo say, obey see wom. AY, when you see was a bomudia 5,000 or you were baby out your buy 3 days per memoir finish one when you threat. And yet threat because a young quasia dear announce our record label no only waiting. It's unsaid and this pay and nothing. So what you say 2020 so obey you. Not ye cry why you cross and you what to do cry and fat. Neka crack and back could be a brama. So what you say, Neka crack that music app store now so episode no not because of say. Omo breachy contract omo hu no asem anka na omo se delete enwuma why dey go app store ni nyina de a we o de kokko type be konebra bo mu dia na omu simple and tetia is an sempeni say papa anye hwe a bone nye hwe ade na before cry etisa broni ni san kwase asem wo abusia abante na ahra wo sem ahra we yi pa kire say the last 1 year ka no than yonko bi nchen.
The contract was supposed to end this year, 1st January 2024. He terminated the contract 1st January 2023. Did you even ask yourself, say, the whole 1 year, where was AY? I dey come with you guys 2020. I was there with you guys 2021, 2022. Once you know they see me, you don't even look for me. You didn't ask about me. I was on the street struggling to get that things again because they deleted my song from online stores, and I cannot even money to eat. Several times that I slept outside with homeboy. I slept outside several times with homeboy, and you are telling me I'm accusing the man. And if I'm accusing the man, do you think I'll even beg him? I beg him, say, bro, give me 1 year, make I take a rain myself. So he said no, 48 hours.
Ninyina na ya bono tofa edi ama no. Yede dia kai piso edi ama. Basa me kodia na meka esi ni pise. Record label a oni abranti ye adwuma no. Womo anye ni ye. Poyoo so be si wo. Me ameti ha ide. Me se nye si wasem. Bomu dua na omumu. Na face no underground artist on person on be ye adwum no. Sisi e wo person obe ye adwum na unya manager bi o person obe manage wa. Pekosua. Na pe snap. Na pe sekani tuo. Efa ka ho onyi ba ko no mfa ninse. So what you say? E ba ne sa ombesu enyansa. Basa nko ba ne sa na koye Bible ne verbal dia. Jomu de dia brantie Poyoo no. Omu de bedi underground so awoba. Enti Poyoo simple and titi we nya court asem. Bo mu dua no. Pia.